Hello all, in this video I am going to solve question number 29 from CBSE class 10 standard math 2026 board paper, and the question paper code is 30/5/3. Question 29 says the dimensions of a window are 156 centimeter by 216 centimeter. Arjun wants to put grill on the window, creating complete squares of maximum size. Determine the side length of the square and hence find the number of squares formed. Say this is a rough sketch of the window. The length is 156 centimeter and the breadth is 216 centimeter. Arjun wants to put a grill on this window. The pattern is square pattern. The question statement says that the square should be of maximum possible size. So to create a largest possible square, we need a number that divides 156 and 216 exactly. To get that, we will do the HCF for these two numbers. So that should be the dimension of one square. Let's get the HCF of these two numbers. The prime factors of 156 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. And the prime factors of 216 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So the common factors are 2 into 2 into 3, which is 12. Which means the maximum size of each square should be 12 centimeter. So we have found the side length of the square. Now we have to find the number of squares so formed. To get the number of squares, we have to divide the entire area of the window by area of one square, which is 156 times 216 upon 12 into 12. On simplifying, we get 13 times 18, which is 234. So totally there will be 234 squares of side length 12 centimeter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.